Gallery Launch Gallery. Hurricane Ida damage launch gallery. John Schneider's production studio lot in Louisiana has been ravaged by Hurricane Ida, and while his life was spared, the actor needs some help. The Dukes of Hazzard stars movie/TV Magic Sanctuary in Holden, Louisiana got torn up this week as Ida continues to rip through the area. Among the casualties on his property was a massive tree that toppled over, crashing down onto his orange General Lee stunt car. Don't worry, it ain't John's one and only, he has several models on hand. John's rep tells us Hess doing just fine, but was off the grid for a while due to bad cell service, Hess leaving for Nashville in just a few hours. With that said, JS uploaded a video that's pretty sad to watch considering the devastation he, and thousands of other Louisianans, are going through right now. Hess asking the public to give him a hand by going to his studio store and buying merch, which is gonna go a long way to getting the place up and running again. It's clear, no one is impervious to the wreckage of this natural disaster, not even Bo.